How do you boost your productivity with your marketing plans? Now, do you write marketing plans? Do you plan? Well, anyone can write a marketing plan. Not a full-blown plan, that has hundreds of pages, but a 10-minute plan, which I call the executive summary format. And that executive summary format is kind of what an executive summary is to a business plan or a marketing plan. And it's usually on one page. Mine is half a page, usually, and takes less than 10 minutes to create. And I'm going to go over the 5 questions. And you can ask this of yourself, you can ask this of your team and of your market, and watch what happens to your business. Because you need to plan before you begin that journey of knowing where you want to go from point A to point B. So the first question is the point A question. And question number 1 is, what's the urgent problem? If there's no problem, there can't be a solution. And if it's not urgent, it's not worth solving. So the first question is point A, what's the urgent problem? That's where you're starting. The second question that you want to answer, and what you do is you ask the question and then you write the answer to each, and that becomes your marketing plan, the executive summary marketing plan, is what's the unique solution? That's question number 2. What's the unique solution? Question number 1, what's the urgent problem? Point A. Question number 2 is what's the unique solution? Point B. And that takes you to the third question, which is so elegant, and that is, why am I stuck? Why are we stuck as a team? Why are my customers stuck, depending on who this marketing plan is for? Such an elegant question, because if someone is stuck, if a market is stuck, if a manufacturing plant is stuck at point A, which is the urgent problem, that's not only painful, that's suffering. Pain is inevitable, suffering is optional, so we want to get people unstuck. So that's question number 3. Why are we stuck? Question number 4 in the executive summary format is, what's the process? And this is the step-by-step process to build momentum, to get unstuck from point A. And step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, usually it's 5 to 9 steps until you get to point B. And what you want to do is create the sequence and the steps so that you have a vision. You have a process from getting from point A, urgent problem, to point B, unique solution. You get unstuck and you deliver it through like a flow. If you can't flow chart your business, you don't have a business. So that's what that 4th question is about, is movement, momentum. If you're not moving, you're not marketing. And the 5th question is one I'm borrowing from David Allen, who taught me it's not only what's the first action we're going to take, but what's the first physical action. What's the first physical action we're going to take to get unstuck from point A, which is the urgent problem, and go on this process to point B, which is the unique solution. Very elegant. 5 simple steps, 5 questions you answer, and typically it'll take you about 10 minutes or less. I've used this for product launches. I've used this to handle internal problems with our team. I've done this even with conflict resolution with my family. It works almost every time. As John Wooden said, don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. I know you can write marketing plans in 10 minutes or less, like the executive format I just gave you, and make sure that you plan your day, work your plan, of course, to be more productive, because when you do, you will get more done. You will do it faster. It will be easier and better, and you'll do it with a lot less human effort. My name is Alex Mondosian, and I hope you plan your day with the executive summary format I've just given you. All good wishes.